Writers using pure AI see 40% lower engagement rates in 2026, while AI-assisted writers report 60% higher. Writers face an impossible choice: spend hours researching and outlining from scratch, or publish generic AI content that readers instantly spot and reject due to AI fatigue. Using AI tools without losing your voice means treating AI as your research assistant and draft generator while you remain the architect of ideas, tone, and personality. The mechanism is simple. AI handles time-consuming grunt work like research and outlining. Then you layer in your contrarian takes, personal examples, and signature style during editing. Unlike pure AI writing that copies training data patterns, this approach uses your industry knowledge and personal insights as the creative foundation, while AI accelerates execution. A freelance writer used Frase for competitor research, taking 3 minutes instead of 45, then added her contrarian email frequency take and client examples, ranking number 3 for email marketing guide within 6 weeks. Google's 2026 algorithm updates specifically reward content demonstrating experience and expertise, while readers have developed unconscious AI fatigue that rejects formulaic content instantly. Publishers report generic AI content gets 40% lower engagement, while writers mastering AI voice balance see 60% higher reader retention and complete projects 50%. Most writers spend only 10 to 20% of their time editing AI output, instead of the required 40 to 60% needed. AI-assisted writers act as directors and editors, spending 40 to 60% of time on voice injection, while AI-generated content producers just prompt and publish with minimal human insight. Readers recognize authentic voice-driven content as engaging and memorable, while AI-generated content gets labeled as generic and forgettable, directly impacting long-term content performance and reader loyalty. Use AI tools like Frase for content, brief generation, and SEO optimization. Then apply your industry knowledge and brand voice during writing phases to create authentic content that outperforms generic alternatives. Position yourself as an AI-enhanced writer who delivers both speed and authenticity, using AI for research and first drafts, while charging premium rates for strategic thinking clients cannot get elsewhere. Resist handing content creation entirely to AI because your unique business perspective and customer insights differentiate your content, but use AI to scale production while maintaining company voice. Writers thriving in 2026 neither reject AI completely nor embrace it blindly, but learn to dance with it strategically, using AI efficiency while preserving human authenticity as their competitive advantage. Subscribe to Trendscoped for weekly breakdowns of the latest AI writing tools and strategies that help you work faster without losing what makes your writing uniquely valuable.